This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again for you another t-shirt. This one you see I have here. So I have one more for you. This one you see, this is from Incerunmen. Packaging, the model number, the barcode of this product. Packaging is beautiful. The pack is always beautiful. It comes with always a zipper. You see here, zipper lock. So if you're traveling or other things, it will protect your clothes. So without any further ado, let me take this out. This lovely looking t-shirt, very beautiful design, lovely collar. You can see how the stitching is at the top. Let me open it to show you how beautiful this design is. You see, you have something angle this side. Lovely. At the bottom is little bit deeper, something as elastic bottom. You can see is basically a design. You can see stitching here, very close. Lovely. Cotton looks as a high quality cotton, durable, not the cheap one, cheap material. Stitching is lovely in this case, beautiful. Now it's time for me to try on, and this one is also from Incerunmen. If you like this one, check the video description if you want to check this out. Here you can see, guys, it has a long v-neck, so if you want you can use some chain, some fat chain, slim as you feel comfortable. I'm using something fat, look more different or elegant. You see how it is. This is a tight fit, a small size here, so it fits me good. Check your size properly, because if it's something loose, it may not look that good. So good size is important. If you like loose fitting, that is another thing. But look at this close, how it is. The shoulder here is fine. You see stitching here, and adjust little bit. This cloth can stretch a bit as well. See here how beautiful neck here. The design goes all the way down. You can see here how is. Let me show you a little bit full body. You can use some black jeans or white color, whatever you like. You see here how it is full body. The down, it has one part here, belt here. You can use with the jeans or other type of pants you like. You can use also with a loose pant. You see I'm using with some boot to make it more rugged look, more strong. This is one Panama jack. You can see a down, so high quality boot could be, or sneaker for casual look you can use as well. Let me show you more closer how it's tied the chest. Obviously if you do some exercise or something, it will fit you better. Also loose could be fine, not bad. If you want to purchase or buy this t-shirt, you can go to the video description. You will find a link to go to their website. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.